Alright guys, you're going to notice a quick wardrobe change on this particular video because I actually had to stop to go to my COVID vaccine appointment. So I'm just sharing this with you, let you know I had no side effects. I feel totally fine. It's been a couple of weeks since I did this video.
Special today?
So here we go.
Getting us.
Where are you gonna go? Oh, pick something up? Where are you gonna go? That does sound good. Good. I didn't either.
First one we saw.
Alright, in today's video we are going to refresh this room. I'm using some different colors. I've got these navy curtains that I did purchase along with the white curtains, and I'm going to give you a breakdown of all the costs of the items that I purchased at the end. Those items that I don't mention I already had. So this peony I got from the at-home store, and the vase that I'm putting the peony in, I'm going to fill it with some fire pit rocks. I mentioned in some other videos, if you watch those, you know I use my leftover fire pit rocks to decorate with. And what you want to make sure you do, because fire pit rocks can be a bit sharp, make sure you wear some gloves just to protect yourself. Alright guys, so as you know, I'm just pretty much getting the room decorated with new and existing decor that I own. And this piece that I'm actually using for my curtain ties, I used in another video. I'm just repurposing it. And one of the things I want to point out, I love to give feedback on items that I purchased. So this particular item, it is sort of like a magnet. I'm going to show you the detail in it after I'm done putting this on. But first I want to let you know this was a product I got from Amazon.com, and I was a little disappointed. I got pretty much one use out of it, and it did break. The piece that actually holds the magnet came loose. So as you can see, this is what it looks like on the outside, but this is the piece, that silver piece with the magnet, and it just snaps together. So I did, being the crafty DIYer that I am, I used the hot glue gun to glue that piece back in its place. Although I did get a pretty good deal for it. I expected it to last a little longer than what it lasted, but I just wanted to share that feedback with you guys. Now this pillow, I got this from, it's a pillow cover, so I'll put that out there right away. I just enjoy the pillow covers because you can put new covers on there if you want to change up your color scheme. I got these blue, silky, velvety looking type pillow covers as well from Amazon.com.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
I got that spear and these cylinders with the candles from two different places actually, and I'm going to let you know where those came from.
jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out.
And guys, this is what the room looks like
Even if I'm falling down,
when it's
I
all
will
said
keep on
and
searching
done.
for my highs. You can say I lost
My goal is to
mind, I will
try
keep on holding
in each
my head
video
high.
to decorate under
Even if the sky's
$100.
falling down, even if the sky's falling down.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Here is another way that you can style a room for under $100. But let's see, did we make our budget? Alright, so I was able to get the blue drapes, and they came from Amazon.com, and they were actually $45.99, but as you can see, I had a credit, so I did not spend that much money, and they were 54 by 108, so that's a lot of fabric. Really got a good deal on those drapes. I also got these white ones, so these were $34.99, also 54 by 108 inches. Drapes are really the most expensive item, I think, besides the actual furniture in a room, so I think I did pretty good on the drapes. Alright, so let's get to the other items that I purchased. I had 3 candles that came with 3-cylinder holders, and those were $33.16. Now, the blue and silver gold pillows, the pillow covers, you can get these a lot cheaper than buying a whole pillow, and they're very easy to store after you're done with them. So these were $15.99. Now, my one peony that I got and featured in the vase was from the At Home store. I would have bought more, but they only had one. But it was $3.99. I think that's why they went so fast. Now, this is my total budget for this room. I went a little over because of the drapes. And hopefully I won't buy any more drapes, no. Alright guys, so we are done with this room. Thanks so much for hanging in with me on this video and checking out this style. And I'd like for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new. And thank you for watching, all of you. See you on the next one.
Even if the sky is falling